laptop memory from 2 GB to 4 GB RAM. So it just take only 10 to 15 minutes. So let's start and see how it goes on. So you just take your laptop. First you remove the battery. So it depends with the model of the laptop how it looks now. So now just open the back cover. So it is easy as that. Now we just take the memory now. We are upgrading from 2 GB to 4 GB RAM. So you just put the memory, just have the 2 slots. You put the second one, then you put back the cover, just like that. Then you put back the laptop battery and switch on your laptop, and thereafter you see the difference. The laptop will increase the speed, and you go on with your work, and it will increase your performance. Yes.